Hi, welcome to the course of Learn how to build a huge comprehensive e-commerce website by using Magento. I am Nader Adam. I will be your instructor with this course. I'm a programmer for 14 years ago and I working in training for 12 years ago. In this course, I will teach you about Magento. So that firstly, let's define the Magento system. Magento is an open source e-commerce software created by Varian Inc., which is useful for online business. It has a flexible modular architecture and is scalable with many control options that is helpful for users. Magento uses e-commerce platforms which offers organizations ultimate e-commerce solutions and extensive support network. In this course, I will teach you the basics of Magento using which you can create a website with ease. Also, I will move with you to the advanced lectures and sections. This course is divided into various of sections and lectures. Each of these sections contains related topics with practices explaining the Magento admin screens and working. The audience for this course has been prepared for anyone who has a basic knowledge of HTML and CSS and has an urge to develop websites. After completing this course, you will find yourself at the moderate or advanced level of expertise in developing an e-commerce sites by using Magento. Look at this site of afsouk.com. This site built by Magento. I will show you all of the steps to create some great web store with Magento. Looks like this professional sites, and I will show you the different themes, multiple sections and topics. Through this course, you will be able to learn more. Look at this. This is the back end for the store. We'll discuss more about store setup, store installation, Magento architecture, as I mentioned before. Also, I will teach you the whole thing of setup, like languages, how to install a new language, contact, categories, products, inventory, taxes, shipping rates, payment plans or payment methods, payment gateway, payment currencies, checkout options, PayPal payment, Google checkout, store live and order processing through the site, like order options, order email, and how to create an order, and also how to manage orders. Also, in advance, I will teach you all of about Magento system setup, like setup customers, Google analyze and setup for pretty URLs, YouTube videos, Facebook likes, translations, system theme, page title, page layout, and more of advanced system setup. Finally, I will teach you all about Magento optimization, like environment optimization, configuration optimization, code optimization, front end optimization, and profiling, database performance, sorry, and engine optimization. Also, I will provide you some of useful resources for the Magento system to help you from time to time. So that's all, and welcome again to the course of Magento.